Hello everyone! The end of 2017 is already here. I hope you are all enjoying this very precious moment of peace, joy and happiness with your loved ones. This season is usually filled with New Year's resolution. Some of us may plan to lose weight and get into shape, to read more, to learn new things, to improve and grow. That's great, but I'm not here for new resolutions. I just want to take a moment to look back over the past year. 2017 was a very challenging year. We got more adventurous in the kitchen, trying new recipes, new techniques, getting out of our comfort zone constantly. This project has grown beyond our wildest dreams in the context of trying to stay close to our family and be relevant for our 3 little daughters. It was a wild year, but we succeeded to stay focused, and your enthusiasm gave us the drive to keep going. Here are some enjoyable moments from 2017. With God's will, we will meet again in 2018. We are very motivated as we are approaching 1 million subscribers, which is very exciting. I wish all of you a great 2018. Bye! 2017. 2017 was a very challenging year. We are very motivated as we are approaching 1 million subscribers.